November 12th.
In 1927, Leon Trotsky was expelled from the Communist Party and Joseph Stalin became head of the Soviet Union. On this day in 1980, the Voyager 1 spacecraft on an interplanetary flyby sent back stunning shots of Saturn. In 1990, Tim Berners-Lee and Robert Caillou published a photo proposal for the World Wide Web. And on this day in 1954, Ellis Island closed its doors. At the turn of the 20th century, Ellis Island welcomed more than 5,000 immigrants a day. Immigration waned, and the facility fell into disrepair. After 6 decades and some 15 million welcomes, Ellis Island closed. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Isaiah.
And Anastasia.
Bringing your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is November 11, 2013, A Day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance to the DMS Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Respectful, responsible, at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Now the math question. Solve 35 and 2/10 divided by 4/10. You should let your math teacher know if you can solve it. Now for our word of the day.
The word of the day is controversy. The BP oil spill caused quite a controversy over the issue of offshore drilling. Again, the word of the day is controversy.
Let's get a check on the weather from Jasper.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. Today is going to be partly cloudy with scattered snow and rain showers this morning, then partly sunny this afternoon. Highs in the upper 30s, north winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation at 30%. Tonight's not going to have a lot going for it. It's going to be partly cloudy, lows in the upper 20s, northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And back to you guys.
Thanks, Jasper. 2013 Heritage Park Community Tree Planting and Tree Giveaway. This Saturday, November 16th, 9 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Meet at 11 Sensor Place. See Mr. Confer or Mr. Millette for details.
DMS Fall Talent Show. Thursday, November 14th, 2013, in the DMS Auditorium from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Cheer on your classmates and teachers as they sing, dance, cheer, and so much more. Don't miss the most talented event of the year. The ticket prices are $3 for DMS students and $5 for non-DMS students. Bring in a canned good to receive a $1 discount.
Attention DMS artists. The Yearbook Committee is looking for a piece of artwork to go on the cover of the 13 to 14 DMS Yearbook. Artwork must be on a sheet of plain paper that does not contain hole punches or lines. Artwork cannot contain any inappropriate words or images. Artwork must be neat and it should contain color. It does not matter what materials are used, but the image needs to be original to win. Artwork should display DMS pride, preferably the DMS owl included somewhere in the drawing.
Attention to all 8th graders. Field trip permission slips are due to Mr. Wojcik or Ms. Cabezas by Wednesday, November 13th. Students who do not turn in the permission slip will not go to Dundalk High. Can I read it on? Once again, the permission slips are due November 13th, and those who do not turn in will not go to Dundalk High.
You'll never make a mistake reading a good book. Read as many books as you can between September 30th and November 15th. Fill out a short form for each book. The top 30 readers attend an ice cream party, get a Coke eraser, and enter a drawing to win another prize. This is the last week.
And now a view from the Homework Club.
concentrate while doing your homework? Well, come to Homework Club.
Homework Club Tuesdays and Thursdays at room 216. Ooh, popcorn. Miss Foot approves this message.
And now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Anastasia with a few words of wisdom. How many of you have heard of world-class golfer Nancy Lopez? As a young Hispanic woman, Nancy Lopez overcame obstacles of racism and bigotry with her positive attitude and hard work. She became a big winner at a young age. Here's what she has to say about winning. You can't win all the time. As long as you're doing the best you can, that's important. That's good advice. Ask yourself today, am I doing my best? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You'll wind up a winner. With something to think about, this is Anastasia. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
And now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Dundalk Middle School. Next week will be our American Education Week. I ask all students to encourage your parents to come out and support Dundalk Middle School and support you during American Education Week. We'd love to have parents in here every single day. Again, seeing all the great teaching and wonderful learning that we have at DMS. So students, please encourage your parents to come on out. This week, on Thursday, all students will be receiving their report card. So Mod 10, we will be dismissing around 2:35. There'll be an announcement. All students will need to report directly back to their homeroom to receive the report cards. Once the bell rings, students will then be dismissed for the day, going to their locker and then heading home or staying after school. So again, we want to hopefully see as many students at our honor roll breakfast. We had a very similar number to the number of students last year earned honor roll, about 3 students shy of what we had last year, but we had more students who earned straight A's. 37 students earned straight A's for the first quarter, so we're very proud of all of our students who earned honor roll and all of our students who earned principal list for the school year. This is a reminder, students, about the importance of demonstrating outstanding attendance. Yesterday, our attendance was not good. We had way too many students out of school yesterday, and we need to definitely do a better job. Again, too many students were out yesterday, and we need to make sure everyone is demonstrating outstanding attendance, coming to school every day with a positive attitude, coming to school willing and able to apply yourself. And as Team DMS, we will do whatever it takes to ensure that you will leave here prepared to be a globally competitive graduate. And I want you to think about that. What does it mean to be a globally competitive graduate when you leave here? And we will make sure also that you are not only successful in school, students, but also successful in life. Let's make it a wonderful day and a safe day. Thank you.
This is Isaiah.
And Anastasia.
Reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School. Have a terrific Tuesday.